Thomas here with Much Props. Going to give you another how-to video. I've been getting requests here and there for something from Overwatch, and while most of them have been weapons, I wanted to kind of start with something that looked relatively simple. So let's start with a loot box from Overwatch made out of foam. Let's get to building. finished. Here is the end result. Overall, not too bad. It looks like it'd be something fairly simple, but the shape of the actual box itself was a little weird to figure out, especially the top angles. And I still don't think I got it exactly there, but there are no templates. I just kind of freestyled it because I wasn't quite sure. But definitely something you could try yourself. I know what you're going to say in the comments. It's not painted like it is in Overwatch. If you've watched any of my other videos, I like to make my props dirty and lived in, and Overwatch is very clean, very modern, and it just, to me, it doesn't look right. So I put my own little spin on it by painting it dirty. So go ahead and talk about how I don't know how the game is or whatever in the comments. Maybe you will try and make one of these yourselves and impress your friends with your loot box building skills from Overwatch. So much so that they steal yours. You better not steal my loot box. Maybe you'll get some...
Yay!
And inevitably they're going to ask you, how'd you make that? You can give them one of these. Tell them, much props. I didn't make it open, but this oddly does look like the shape of that lens, so why not?